everybody, it's Belinda here from Fisherman Fireworks. Let me take you to visit our showroom. Prepare this just for you. First, we'll come to 200-gram cakes. We got, look at me, 50 shot areas. My personal favorite, a series of products. White horse, Twitest monkey, Caution dangerous, 60 shot areas. $500 cakes. Look at this product. White child is very popular in our YouTube. 68 shot. Bad boy, I liked it. Firecrackers, helicopters, and spinner. Look at this, all shells. Fishman Super Mag, Sky Cone. So many shells. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let's see the Roman candles. Hello. Michelle's, Super Michelle's, 25 shot, 50 shot, 100 shot. Okay, let's go. Smoke ball, blue, purple, yellow, and red ball. Rocket, sparkles, and assortment, big assortment. We have lots of novelties. And this, fountains, lucky lava. It's an amazing item. Birds sailing fountains. And we also have a party popper, confetti, birthday candle, and so many party poppers. Okay, alright. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.